Looking for the best car speakerphone in 2025? In this video, we review the top 3 best car speakerphones that deliver crystal clear calls, easy hands-free operation, and top-notch Bluetooth connectivity. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip lover, these speakerphones will upgrade your driving experience while keeping you safe. Stay tuned to find out which model is right for you. Number 3. The Besign BK06 Bluetooth 5.0 car speakerphone is a standout hands-free solution for drivers who value convenience, safety, and quality sound. Featuring the latest Bluetooth 5.0 plus EDR technology, it offers lower power consumption and broad compatibility with both Android and iOS devices. The built-in motion sensor is a game-changer, automatically powering on and connecting when you open your car door, making hands-free driving truly effortless. With a powerful 1000 mAh battery, you get up to 20 hours of talk time on a single charge, ideal for daily commuters or frequent travelers. The dual 2W speakers deliver impressive clarity and volume, ensuring you can hear and be heard even on noisy highways. Its compact metal build, 5.2 by 2.3 by 0.63 inches, clips easily to your visor without taking up space. User reviews highlight its easy setup and strong performance. One user praised how it connected instantly and filled the car with clear sound. Another longtime hands-free user called it the best yet, outperforming big brands like Motorola in sound and battery life. Additional features like support for Siri and Google Assistant and the ability to connect 2 phones simultaneously make the Besign BK06 a top pick in 2025 for anyone needing a reliable, feature-rich car speakerphone. Number 2. The VeoPulse B Pro 2B hands-free car speakerphone is a premium solution for safe and convenient driving. Equipped with 6W hi-fi speakers, this device delivers loud, clear sound that's ideal even for noisy environments like highways or semi-trucks. Thanks to Bluetooth multipoint technology, it automatically connects to multiple phones, making it perfect for those who juggle personal and work devices. This speakerphone is loaded with practical features: noise cancellation, automatic on-off, voice controls, and a built-in microphone. Setting it up is effortless. Simply clip it to your sun visor, and you're ready to go. Answering calls is as easy as saying yes, and you can activate Siri or Google Assistant with a single press, allowing for fully hands-free operation. Users are impressed by its durability and battery life. One review highlighted leaving the unit exposed outdoors for 10 months, yet powered on with 90% battery and instantly connected, a true testament to its build quality. Another user, a semi-truck driver, praised its loud, crystal clear sound and quick Bluetooth pairing, outperforming other brands like Jabra. Whether you're commuting, running a business on the go, or just want safer calls while driving, the VeoPulse B Pro 2B is a reliable, high-quality upgrade. It even makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who spends time behind the wheel. Number 1. The Avantree Roadtrip is a versatile 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker and FM transmitter that upgrades any car, old or new, with modern connectivity and hands-free convenience. Designed for both calls and streaming, it lets you transmit audio from your phone directly to your car speakers via FM, or enjoy clear sound through its built-in dual 3W hi-fi speakers. This device shines with its crystal clear call quality, thanks to noise cancellation and a sensitive built-in mic. Whether you're catching up on calls, using voice assistants, or streaming podcasts, the sound remains loud, clear, and well-defined. It's especially appreciated by users driving older vehicles like the Ford F-150, where it breathes new life into the driving experience. Smart features like auto power on-off make it incredibly user-friendly. A built-in motion sensor ensures it only connects when you're actually inside the car, avoiding the annoyance of connecting from too far away. Plus, the intuitive rotary dial makes volume control and voice command activation a breeze. User reviews highlight its excellent battery life, up to 22 hours, reliable auto shut-off, and easy reconnection. Even after months of use, drivers are impressed by its consistency. With solid customer support and thoughtful features, The Avantree Roadtrip is a game-changing solution for safer, smarter, and better-sounding drives. Thanks for watching our review of the top 3 best car speakerphones in 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and car gadget tips. Got a favorite speakerphone or a question? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay safe and drive hands-free.